The question says that at room temperature, that is 27 degrees centigrade, the resistance of a heating element is 100 ohm. What is the temperature of the element if the resistance is found to be 117 ohm, given that the temperature coefficient of the material of the resistor is 1.7 × 10⁻⁻⁴ per degree centigrade? Now this question talks about the relationship between resistance and temperature, and which is given by resistance as temperature T with respect to the reference temperature T naught is equal to R naught, that is the resistance at the reference temperature multiplied by 1 plus alpha. Alpha is the thermal coefficient of resistance and it is material specific, multiplied by final temperature minus initial temperature, or the delta T. So in this question we have to find out the value of final temperature given the final resistance, initial temperature, thermal coefficient of resistivity. So after substituting the values in this formula, we can easily calculate the value of T because this is the only unknown over here. Now substituting the values, we will get T equals to 1027 degrees centigrade. That is the final temperature at which the resistance was 117 ohm is 1027 degrees centigrade. Thank you.